Hello there and welcome to a short little crafty tutorial here with me. I'm Caroline and I bought these lovely blue glasses at IKEA and I think they're beautiful as they are, but I want to have some fun with them. So I'm going to paint them with some porcelain or glass paint. It can be used for both. So basically I'm going to make all four of them a little bit different, and I'm just going to use random paint blobs, and I'm using a nice rounded brush that has kind of rounded edges and that is very soft. And then I simply just make spots. So it's really simple, and some of you are going to say, wait, it's basic or it's too ugly. But it's just to show that you can actually just be random and it can still look good. So for this, I'm kind of thinking that this is done now. This is beautiful. Just some dark blue dots on, and then off to the next. So for this one, I'm going to do a little bit more, but basically the same kind of technique. Just a little bit of dots here and there, and I'm refraining from making dots right at the top because I don't want it right where I kind of put my lips or people put their mouths for drinking. So I kind of want it where you actually just hold and grab the glass. And here you can see what happens when you use two colors and it hasn't dried in between them. And that is on purpose if you think that it's not. But this is just a nice way to show how the colors will mix, how they will blend. You can still see some of the dark blue, you can still see some of the clear white, but you can also see these colors that are in between. And yeah, I think that's a nice look, and definitely one that you can go for on purpose. Just adding a little bit more here. And then off to the third one, and what am I going to do with this one? I'm just rinsing the pen tip of the brush in between and then going for yellow with this one. A lot of colors look nice on this blue glass background. It's really easy to make them look nice because they are already such a beautiful design. But I'm just making them a little bit more fun, and then adding some pink on top of this yellow because I love pink and yellow. It's one of my most favorite color combinations. And it also just shows that you can mix so many colors and it will still look nice. And of course, if you let them dry in between the layers, then you can get a completely different look where you actually won't get this blending. And yeah, I like the blending, but you can also get a different result by making them dry in between so you don't get it. And now there is only one left to go. And afterwards, I will let them dry and then simply pop them in the oven. And that is to fix the colors. So the colors need to be fixed with heat. Just like when you do textile painting, then you need to fix it on the fabric with heat. And for these, for porcelain and glass, you need to pop them in the oven. And on the colors that you buy, it will actually say how long they will need to be in the oven and how warm the oven will need to be. So I think it's better that you read on your instructions to see exactly what's correct. But here you can see in the oven with them, and then afterwards they're ready to use, ready to wash, and they're just perfect. And thank you IKEA for a lovely design, and it was fun working on them. Bye bye!